Welcome back to my channel, students. So here we are going to find the factors of this given expression. So how can we find the factors of this given expression? One thing is we are going to factorize this expression by using algorithm or maybe a quadratic equation, which is x squared plus px plus q. So in order to factorize this given expression, you have to understand what this says. That means what algorithm says. So algorithm says that if an expression resembles like me, if you resemble like me, what you have to do is to factorize yourself by using what I say. Okay, that is what the algorithm says. That means we have to find the product of factors of q. That means if a times b is equals to q, their sum, that means a plus b should be equal to coefficient of x, coefficient of x, right? So what algorithm says here is if you resembles like me, what you have to do in order to factorize a given expression is you need to find the factors of q. That means you need to find the product of factors of q. So if a times b is equals to q, their sum is equals to coefficient of x. So that is how we are going to find the factors of this given expression. So what we are going to do here is we just trying to find the product of factors of 45, which is 15 times 3 is equals to 45. We all know this, right? But 15 plus of minus 3 is equals to 12. Okay, the product of factors is equals to 45, but their sum is equals to 12. That means we are going to split this middle term into two terms, right? We're going to split this middle term into two terms, which going to be x squared plus 15x minus 3x, plus into minus becomes minus, so minus 3x minus 45, right? So we have split this 12x into 15x minus 3x. So what you're going to do here is we have to group the terms. X squared plus 15x becomes one group, and minus of 3x plus 45 becomes another group. So we're going to take the common from these two terms. That means we're going to take first common within the bracket. So here the common is x squared plus 15x. X is common, so x plus 15, that means x of x plus 15 is equals to x squared plus 15x, minus we're going to take common from these two terms. What is a common? I think it's yes, it's 3 is common here, so we're going to bring 3 outside, so it becomes x plus 15. So 3 times 15 is 45. So that is how we're going to take common. So here x plus 5, here if you observe these two terms, here x plus 15 is common. So we're going to take x plus 15 common, and we are going to divide this whole term by x plus 15. It becomes x minus 3, right? X minus 3. That means we got product of two factors which are going to be x plus 15 and x minus 3. So we found the product of two factors of this given expression. So this is how we are going to find by using this algorithm. Some people say that this is a quadratic equation form. So this can be an algorithm and this can be a quadratic equation. By using what it says, we're going to find this value which are going to be the product of two factors of a given expression. Our next problem is 40 plus 3x minus x squared. So we're going to find the factors of this given expression. If I just flip this expression, it's going to be minus x squared plus 3x plus 40. So it's going to be minus x squared plus 3x plus 40. It just looks like an algorithm, which is x squared plus px plus q, right? So what I'm going to do when it obeys this algorithm is we're going to find the factors of q. when the product of factors of q is equals to q, their sum should be equal to the coefficient of x, which is 3. So if I take the product of factors of 40 as 8 times 5 is equals to 40, so their sum 8 plus of minus 5 should be equal to 3. It is 3. It's because 8 plus of minus is minus, so 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. So I'm going to split this 3x as minus x squared plus 8x plus into minus 5x plus 40. So what I'm going to do now is group terms. I'm going to group terms as minus x squared plus 8x will be one group, and minus of 5x minus 40 will be another group, because I'm bringing minus outside the bracket, so the sign between these two numbers gets changed, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take the common from individual terms. First I choose this term. I'm gonna bring the minus sign outside and take common from this term, which is x of x minus 8. So similarly, if I take, there is minus sign over here, I'm going to put minus sign. If I take from these two terms a common as 5, it's going to be x minus 8, 5 of x minus 8. If you just observe, compare these two terms, which is these and this term, here the similar terms are x minus 8, so I'm going to take common from these two terms. If I take common from these two terms, I'm going to divide the whole expression by x minus 8. That means what are the rest of the terms? Minus x minus 5. It's going to be minus 5 minus 5. X minus x minus 5. So these are the product of two factors of a given expression. So this is how we're going to find the factors of a given expression by using this law, by using this algorithm, or maybe quadratic equation. So thank you friends, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. So my channel name is Tonopore. This class helps you to teach math, helps you to enhance your math skills to an ultimate level.